morning, guys. Just made it last night for our first camping trip in the new pop-up, all completely redone. It's not working perfectly, I'll get to that in a second, but didn't get the camera out last night at all because we were setting everything up like 2 hours before it got dark and trying to see if everything worked, and it doesn't. So just kind of wanted to show you around a little bit. We're up in Bellaire, right by Torch Lake, and yeah, we're gonna go out on the lake all day today. But right now, enjoying a couple of mimosas because why not? We're on vacation. And I will show you around the camper just a little bit. So inside the camper, it looks good. Bed's all made. We got the fridge that doesn't work because turns out only one outlet works in here. So we're gonna have to get that looked at. I'll show you guys. Got one outlet with a power strip, but at least one works so we can charge some phones. And then on top of that, the water's leaking. And it leaked into here. So didn't test any of that stuff, but the good news is it looks really good, and I'll show you guys all of it right now. So the bed, I got new blankets. These aren't really blankets, they're almost like thin sheets, but I didn't even know what they looked like when I ordered them. They come in a pack of 5 from Amazon, and there's another one over here. And then there's another one around, oh, there's a couple more right here. So those are pretty fun. We have the fridge that we're not even sure works because my dad dropped it, but the outlet here, it doesn't work. I ordered one of these over the cabinet towel racks for that. I have this guy. The cushions turned out awesome. My freedom flag is like my favorite thing in here. And then my curtains. They all turned out so good. I'm happy. And it actually turns out, just side note, that using the fabric glue instead of sewing does not hold. I'll show you. So I'm gonna have to come up with like a different way to do this. But still, I mean, they're nice curtains. They look good. Yeah, so I mean, we brought all of our food in here. We're only here for the weekend, so we don't have a ton. I think everything turned out really nice. So I'm gonna try and do kind of like GoPro type video later, just to kind of give like a little bit of our first adventure here. But for now, I mean, I'm excited about it. I think it turned out pretty good for now. It's sleepable. The bed's actually comfortable. We slept really well last night. There's a fire pit outside. We have a couple of chairs and everything. So yeah, quick little tour for our first camping adventure in here with things that don't work, but they're gonna get figured out when we get back. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys once everything is working and it's all good.